Hello everyone, I am Ruela Itagal and for my part, I'll be talking about expertise, knowledge, and problem solving. So I'll explain how experts become better than beginners and why they solve problems faster and more accurately. The first idea is about how knowledge is organized. Experts and beginners don't really differ in basic perception, pero nag-iiba sila in how they encode and remember information. So in Valentine's 2007 study, both beer experts and beginners could sort beers, pero mas magaling ang experts mag-remember ng lasa nito afterward, meaning mas organized yung memory structure nila. McNamara's 1996 study also showed that beginners do better with simple, coherent text, while highly knowledge students actually benefit from harder text kasi mas na-activate yung focus nila. Overall, experts handle information better because their knowledge is structured and they process information more actively. Next is elaboration of knowledge. So, the classic example nito is yung chess. According to Gobet and Simon, experts can remember real game positions easily dahil nakachunk na ito sila sa kanilang minds as a meaningful pattern. Pero once na random na yung pieces, nawawala yung advantage nila, almost like the beginners or the novices. So this shows that expert schemas only work when the situation has meaning. The same pattern appears in sa radiology, physics, and medicine na wherein the experts have deep connected schemas habang yung mga novices or beginners is they usually rely on surface level details. So because of these rich schemas, experts can spot patterns faster and apply their knowledge more flexibly across different problems. When it comes naman to problem solving, experts and beginners think very differently. Yung experts, they spend time representing the problem first. So, parang tinatanong muna yung sarili nila on what do they already know about a certain problem and how does that relate to their schemas. And once the problem fits their framework, mabilis na silang makahanap ng solution. Beginners naman usually rely on trial and error or work backward. Like a new doctor na kailangan muna ng maraming test before getting the right diagnosis. So experts on the other hand quickly recognize familiar patterns and also studies show that talking or writing about their thinking process helps improve performance lalo na sa beginners because it clarifies their understanding. And then with more practice, expert processes becomes automatic. So this is called schematization and automatization. So because of this, experts don't overload their working memory easily, kaya mas mabilis and mas efficient sila. Pero may downside din ito because sometimes dahil sa sobrang sanay na sila sa mga usual patterns, they get thrown off kapag unusual or weird yung problem. But since malalim ang schemas nila, they recover quickly. Beginners, meanwhile, need to consciously think through every step kaya mas mabilis silang ma-overload mentally. Another advantage of experts is what Erickson and Kitch called long-term working memory. This allows experts to hold large amounts of information that normal working memory can't handle. So parang stored siya in a long-term memory pero with a special retrieval cues that let them access the information instantly. So, neuroimaging studies also show that as people become more expert, bumababa yung activation nila in working memory areas and tumataas yung involvement ng long-term memory networks. The last one is the innate talent and acquired skill. So some researchers like Erickson argue that deliberate practice is the most important factor. So that is the focused, consistent, and goal-driven practice, hindi lang yung basta-basta repetition lang. But other studies highlight the importance of grit, passion, starting age, and intelligence. So in reality, combination siya. Talent alone isn't enough and practice alone also isn't enough. The key takeaway is that experts develop deep, organized, and well practiced knowledge, and that's what places them ahead of beginners. And that is everything for my report on expertise and problem solving. Thank you for watching.